for this unboxing, okay? So this company is called Cadence, and if you're like me, that is what packing used to look like. This company solves those problems, at least for me. So now let's do the unboxing, right? And let me tell you about the company. So the company was founded and started by a lady named Steph, who was on a ski trip and found some things difficult. So she came up with these like pods, these magnetic capsules. Capsules is the word. And you can, like, this is what my travel bag looks like, right? That, and it's like literally stuffed to the brim, right? Let's see how much of my problems Cadence can solve. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get all of this into that and just make it look better. Now, let me open it. First of all, I like the packaging from A to and everywhere in between, because this is for like the traveler, the gym goer, whatever. I do both. It says you do it all. I'm sorry, I'm stuck up for packaging. You guys know that. And oh, this is a plant. This says plant me or turn into a wildflower. These are seeds. Listen. So you can customize yours, or you can select from the pre-labeled ones that they have. I chose, for the most part, most of the pre-labeled ones, but I also customized one because there was none for edge control, okay? So edge control, my toner. This is so cool, guys. Look how it just snaps all together. I can't wait to build this out. And the customer service was amazing. This by far was the best customer service I've had with an online purchase since I could remember. Again, I'm gonna pull it out and I'll plant these. Thank you. And more of my combs. This is, look at, guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So I'm gonna get some, let's get started, right? So what are we gonna first start with? I think we can first start with toothpaste. And let me tell you something, people complain about these prices, but the price you pay for buying either a single serve or the big one, to me, over time, this saves. And the pieces are magnetic. So that's cool as well. I don't know how to, okay. And, oh my gosh, this is crazy. So you don't lose your cap. And if you're like me, you'll probably lose your cap. I can do away with that. Toothpaste done. Let's see what else we got. What else I could remove from here? This I don't need anymore because I have my toothpaste in my pod. Look at how much space I saved. And the customer service is amazing. The product is amazing. Their environmental impact. Oh my gosh. These people clean beaches. They're hiring engineers and stuff to help find long-term sustainable solutions to our problems. Like, all of this, I don't have to walk with this bulk anymore. Look, man. How simple is life? How simple is life? How simple? How much more simple you want it to be? Cadence, thank you so much for an amazing product, and I would like to say this is not a sponsor at all. They did not send me this for free. I just saw this on my feed as an ad and I looked into it. I put some stuff in my shopping cart, abandoned the cart, put some stuff in the cart, abandoned the cart. Then I saw the same ad on Facebook and I saw people's comments and I saw their response to the comments. Very polite. They educated a lot of people. Some people were hung up on the cost. And they sit there and really did the math. Like, if you purchase all these over again to go here, go there, instead you could buy a big one, save the bottles, save the environment, save the plastics from getting in our ocean, and you have these reusable things that, look. This is, I don't know what else I need to say. If y'all not with it, gym, a breeze, okay? Travel, a breeze. I would like to say though, the general consensus, and I agree too, is that they could benefit from making bigger ones, like TSA compliant ones, the max size. And I agree with that too. However, to me, these are a game changer as well. And if they make bigger ones, I would get those too. But anyway, Cadence.com, y'all did the damn thing.